Hello friends, how are you all doing? If today is your first time of seeing my face, God bless you. And today I am in the kitchen. Remember, I promised on this channel that I'm going to be sharing with you the things that I do. Food is one of the things that I do all the time. I have passion for cooking. I love cooking. So today we are in the kitchen and I want to show you a dish that actually I searched on YouTube. I didn't see it. So my village people will love this particular one. And we call it in my village Ikpa-kpa. No. It's my friend that calls it Ikpa-kpa. We call it Ikpa-kpa. You know, it's kidney beans. So I want to show you another way that you can prepare kidney beans. The canned kidney beans. And you will love it. You will enjoy it. And just stay tuned. Watch me do this that I know how to do. Cooking is one of those things I actually know how to do. So I'll bring it on this channel and some other things. Like I said, my channel is going to be informative and, you know, you're going to be learning one or two things from my channel. God bless you. Stay tuned. And I want to say thank you to as many that are subscribing to my channel lately. God bless you all. Whatever you ask for, the Lord will do it for you. Whatever is your heart desire, God Almighty will grant it for you. Thanks for your support. And for those that will subscribe, even after this time, God bless you in advance from me to you. So let's go to the kitchen and start to do something. Here are my kidney beans. I have 3 cups of the kidney beans. So I'm going to be boiling it and just do what I want to do with it.